Good morning, viewers. I'm gonna take a drive from Bowden Crossing to the border. I'm gonna try to hit the border today, but I want to do a flight, but the weather is not looking good for a flight today. So I'm gonna do a drive-through. Hope you guys enjoyed this drive-through. So we're heading east towards Arcadia, and that is where I did the last flight, where they were doing the asphalting on the road surface. I don't know how far they reached with it because the flight was just a short flight. I didn't stay long. I have this GoPro on horizon leveling, so you're not gonna see no jerking, but trust me, a lot of the road will jerk out every single foot out of your body. So we are just approaching, or just driving on the new set of asphalted road, or asphalted section of the rehabilitation side of the project. And as you can see the weather, you can see the sky. Oh, I actually checked the weather before I came out here, and it was seeing cloudy and sunny. It is definitely windy, for sure. Okay, somebody showing off, doing his wheelie on the bike. I mean, the surface is very nice to drive on, trust me. I hope all the section of the road has this kind of surface on it. And as in the last video, JPS was installing some poles. Hopefully I can see them around the area still installing poles. That would be good. And soon, hopefully, they start removing those poles from out of the alignment of the roadway. And this was where I stopped when I was doing the video. But my God, they did a nice little section on it. This is nice. Now I'm just going back on the section where it's a marl on the aggregate, and it's pretty smooth, you know. It's kind of ready for that asphalt on the top, you know. If you check out in Lethal section, my God, there are terrible road situation out in that side. Trust me, it's like out there is collecting water and very muddy. So this is a new section that they have done. Nice. Barking Lodge, just passing Barking Lodge. Turn off. Now this side kinda get a little bit rough. And there's a next section being paved. Okay, I see. Oh, this is looking nice. I think I can do a little flight in this area soon. I think I'm gonna stop right here. Probably cover this section whenever I might just do it when I'm coming back. Everybody seems to be chilling, maybe on break. So let me go up the road and then return to this section and cover this section that is being asphalted. See how far I can reach also. This is a long river road. I will surely return back to that section that they're doing the asphalt. I want to reach as far as up to Amity Hall and back, or even further to Cabbage Bottom. But now hope the sky is still clear in this section so I can get some nice videos for you guys, some nice footage. This side seems to be the most focused. This side seems to be the area that they're most focused on lately. So we're heading toward the Winchester turn off and into Stokes Hall. And this area is in a very good condition, see me. I haven't seen any much sign of any big damage done by any rainfall on this side. I guess the drainage and the shape of the road to run off the water is very good on this side. And to the left you can see the curb and channels that they have done. I'm slow down this car overtaking. I am not going to drive in that road. I want to say a part where is affected by rainfall right there. Water has been settled. In this section I'm seeing a lot of potholes, and most of these are caused by the water. They look like channels that the water dug out when it is flowing down. I hope you can see it, you guys. So we are coming up to that Winchester turn off to the left, and we'll be going into Stokes Hall, back to Golden Grove. So there's Winchester to our left, Stokes Hall Great House to our right, Let's see how this. I haven't been out this section, been to this section for a while now. So this is all new to me right now. Whatever is happening out here. Here have a nice big drain culvert. Nice big culvert right there. Oh, all this section has been widened. This wall to your right, the stone wall, it's newly built. And you can see to your right, the hillside has been dug off. Sign, Stokes Hall. I was wondering how they work or widen the road in this area because the homes are so close to the road. And a lot of people, business places are very close to the road. So this is the eastern side of St. Thomas. And it's very close to the Portland border. You know? I said probably 40-45 minutes driving non-stop. And I'm calling that close to the Portland border because of the condition. Because of the condition that the road is in, that's why I'm saying 45 minutes. But trust me, when this road is finished, trust me, 20 minutes, you'll be in Portland, crossing that border at Hector's River. Well, right here against the Water Commission, our check. Doing some water work, running some water pipes. Okay, there isn't much done to this area. Oops, sorry. Oh, sorry. Those holes. So we're heading down to Golden Grove. See, to your right, land for sale commercial lot, 149, www.nhtgovernment.com. Also, that land to your right is owned by NHT. I mean, why sell it? Just clear it out and build some nice homes for the people of St. Thomas. You know? Why sell it as a commercial lot? Build it up and build homes. Or build a gated community with a mall or a shopping center in it. You know? That would be good. Very little has changed out this section since our last video that I had focused on out here. Trust me, I can tell you this, you guys, if you are driving on this road to Portland right now and your stomach is full, maybe your car is way more comfortable than my car, but trust me, you might just end up with an upset stomach. That is how the surface or the terrain is like in this area of the development. I know everything is gonna be done in sections, you know. Everything takes time. And the next thing, do you think that everything will finish this year? It's a chin there, a dig hole and a run pipes. That is, those are the tubing for the cable. So they are running tubings for cable networks, and they're also running water mains. Now we're here, Golden Grove, right into Golden Grove. We're approaching the little town in Golden Grove. But this is a little town in Golden Grove. Trust me, majority of Jamaican roads are so narrow. You hardly can find any way where to pull off. I know these roads has been here for decades. Get out of the way. For decades. But imagine from Harborview to Portland, we had the 4 lanes of highway. Just imagine that. How long would it take for us to reach Portland if we had a 4-lane highway heading right into Portland? I mean, we're appreciative of every little development and every little thing extended to us. You know, we're very thankful for it. But sometimes we have to just imagine it at a wider scale. No, they're mentioning right here where that's where past culvert. Sorry. Just imagine that. And this area is one of the areas that is mostly flooded when rainfall falls. So this year I need a lot of culvert and take the water from the one side, from the other side of the road to the next and into the swampland or the cane fields or the farmland, whatever is to your right and to your left. Because I think a river is to our left. We're coming up on that river, and that river is the only river in Jamaica that actually runs are horizontal, are east, not east to west or west to east. Yeah, man, we're coming up on it. Every other else river either run north to south or south to north. You know? I hope you're liking this commentary. This is the first time trying this. I'm not really a talkative person, but I'm trying something new for you guys. I don't even talk much, but I'm doing my best right here. Whoa, look at those. What kind of birds those? Garland. We just passed them to our right. Okay. And this is what people cutting cane or grass. over this bridge I'm talking. The river that runs under this bridge that we're coming up on is the only river that runs from east to west or west to east. One of them. I don't know. I think it runs from west to east. Because east to west, that means it will be coming from the sea and coming down coming inland. And if you look to our right, you can see a lot of banana plants. Hurricane Beryl had damaged 70% of Jamaica's bananas and plantains. So these crops are newly planted, and we're hoping within the next 3 to 4 months or 5 months we'll be getting a lot of bananas and plantains back again. I'm a plantain lover. You know? To your right now you can see a lot of that look like cane field, like sugar cane field. Now we're heading up to Hardley Crossing. Ooh, it's a very bumpy ride. If I didn't have on the horizon leveling, you guys would be seeing probably you couldn't eat anything while you were watching this video. One of those tall banana plants right there. Wonder why Jamaicans call it banana tree. I think it's banana plant because tree is something that they can climb. Well, we as Jamaica, we make up our own names and our own definitions for everything. That's why we are so unique, and we do it with style and grace. So even though you know that is not what it is, we tend to let you believe and make it sound cool when we say it. That you actually want to say it also and call it the words whatever we are calling it. Or we are such a cool people. Heartwarming. Yeah, I'm turning right, left? Right, I'm turning right, sorry. So I'm heading down now to Amity Hall section. I think I'm coming back to do the flight along River Road right here where they're doing the paving, and depends on how the sky, the clouded or the cloudedness of the sky. That will let me know if I would like to fly, because it don't make sense I'm flying in a condition that you guys might have a problem seeing. You know, and if I do not know this about the camera, is that whenever you're flying towards the sun, the whole image will get messed up. And the next thing too, if you're flying and the place is not lit, well lit, trust me, the image is gonna be poor. So this light pole that I passed on our right has been tilted to our right, like this falling down, definitely falling down, holding up by the wires. To our left though, you're not seeing it clearly, but there's a curb and channel along that side. Hope you can see it. But I like how they widen this section also. This area coming from Hardly Crossing. What is that? I'm digging out a trench. What will that be? Cable? No, the cable is on your... The tubing, cable tubing is on our right. So probably that is water main. But if that is a water main, they are digging that channel for. Why do it in the middle of the road? Why not do it to the side of the road? Jamaican people love dig up road anyway. And to fix it back, poor work. So by the time you look again, it needs to be fixed again and again and again. Don't know why, but I guess we don't have enough people that is supervising these kind of work. You know? Everybody just do whatever them feel like to do. Throw a little asphalt, throw a little mall, and they call that. Oh, so they're making that channel. Run cable or water pipes. I don't know what they're waiting on to build the next half of this bridge. Oh, they kind of give us a detour. I mean, we'll be having that other side of that bridge soon. Now if you look to your left, I hope you can see those trench or a gully. Well, the cutout section is how high they are planning on having the road surface, so the water can run off in those little cutout sections. So we are heading into Amity Hall, and there's a sign. So this is very eastern St. Thomas. Look on this guy driving like he's crazy. See those Chinese barrow? Whoa, they're building a wall right here. Whoa, this is new. This is new. This is nice also. We're getting a go from the normal would say flag woman, but it's a ply woman. So they are building a wall towards this side. This is nice. I think I might take a flight off covering this side too also. And this side is the road is level. Still doing a curb and channel. To our right is a newly built stone wall, retaining wall. It's nice. Okay. Hope you guys are liking this drive-through. And this side have some nice houses. No? I don't know why some people think that Jamaica is all shacks. Yeah, we have shacks, yes. Like them people here who put up them little shop on the corner, but you know, look on the house behind it. I mean, this is just a shop. I'm seeing some sign on one of those shops that, like from the government, that mean that need to be removed. So we're approaching the section of Qua Hill. Don't know. I think it's Qua Hill is a community up on the hill to your left. Out here is nice, so. And the road is wide. I mean, for the person who, in the last video I did, covering Arcata, the light poles wasn't planted in the middle of the road. Alright? The light poles are to the side, but the road has been widened. So, and the light pole has not yet been removed. So that's why they are in the middle of the road, because the alignment is totally shifting in different direction, like left and right. So you end up with the light pole being in the alignment of the new road network. So don't be confused. Note we are heading towards Portland. So this is the way you'd be driving if you are heading to Portland in the future. Know that in St. Thomas you can find the farthest point of Jamaica to the east. That is Moran Point. And it's not even to the border that we are going right now. It's to our right. Probably past that point already. On a clear day, the drone would have picked it up. But guys, this road is not so bad to drive on, you know. You know, it's not so bad to drive on. I mean, my car is not really the most comfortable car, and it's not bad. It's done a lot of mileage on it. Alright, but like this now, that I'm going through, you can know that this is a water channel. If you look to your left, definitely a water channel, like water rushing down that when you have heavy rain. To the right is gully right now. A few little puddles. Talk too early. Oh, sorry. Oh. Hush, Betsy. That's my car. I'm driving 33 minutes 44 seconds from where I start at Bowden crossing. So, and this road is, you know, it's not all of it is have a little smooth surface. A lot like this side now we are having a lot of potholes, and we are still on good timing to head to the border. Trust me, this road has never been seen in St. Thomas, Eastern St. Thomas. The width of this road. This road is wide. Trust me, people. The road is wide. Oh, sorry. There's a pond. We have a pond. I don't have my rod today to do any fishing, so let me wait on this bus to pass so I can drive at the side of the pond, or to the side of the pond. And then it's scary because you have the gully to the side where can break away at any time. No? But in due time, we'll be happy about everything that is happening right now. The past will be the past, the present will be the present, and the future is definitely what we are looking towards. Better road networks. Here I found 2 more new ponds. Don't even have my life jacket. So if anything I drop in this pond, I can stay afloat. But that's okay. Yeah, we can know that a lot of water run down this side of the road. We are looking towards the Portland border. You can see the sea. Yeah, we are close to the border now. I think I might just do the filming of the areas that the workmen aren't actually paying attention to right now. Since I'm doing this drive through. So we're in the area what they call Cabbage Bottom. No. This area that I'm going up on now has been resurfaced. Nice pretty road. Not as wide to me as what we have passed up the top there. You know? But it's a nice smooth road. And we're heading towards Hector's River. That's the border of St. Thomas and Portland east. It's pretty windy out here. Alright, back on the original road, bad road. Did you know that parts of St. Thomas has red dirt? Because since I've been covering this road improvement project on highway, I realized that parts of St. Thomas has red soil. To your right is farmland, somebody farmland. A new section, a next section that has been repaved. Nice smooth road going. This is how it would feel going into Portland. And look at that deep blue sea, Caribbean Sea. Back on the bad road. You will surely hear that sound in the mic. We're passing the next river. Nice smooth road heading into Portland. So this is my drive going into Portland from Bowden Crossing. I would love to have a home on this side of St. Thomas. Even though this side of St. Thomas basically get rain almost every day. But look on those plants, you see how green they are. So we are going into Portland. We are going across the border now into Portland, and this is going over Hector's River right here. And we are going into the Hector's community. But I'll be turning back right here. Hope you guys enjoyed that drive. And it took me 40 minutes. 40 minutes. Not bad, right?